This is the final outcome of a complex industrial process. Thousands of tons of refined sugar are stored, packed, and prepared for distribution. Automated systems operate continuously, ensuring consistency and precision at every stage. Each bag represents hours of mechanical processing and quality control. The scale of production reflects the efficiency of modern sugar manufacturing. But this result begins far earlier, long before the factory floor. The sugar factory operates as a constant logistical hub. Every day, trucks loaded with freshly harvested sugarcane arrive in a continuous flow. Each delivery is weighed, documented, and carefully tracked before entering the plant. This control ensures accurate processing and stable production volumes. From the moment the cane arrives, timing becomes critical. Fresh raw material must move quickly into the production cycle.
Manifest and bill of lading, please.
Here you go.
Everything looks correct. You're cleared.
Sugar production begins in vast agricultural fields. Specialized harvesters cut the tall sugar cane and prepare it for transport. Leaves are separated and stalks are chopped into manageable segments. Field workers monitor the harvest to ensure consistent quality. Loaded trucks collect the cane and leave the fields without delay. From here, the raw material begins its journey to the factory. Once the sugarcane reaches the factory, processing begins immediately. Each truck is unloaded using heavy hydraulic systems designed for high volumes. The cane enters large receiving hoppers and moves steadily along conveyor belts. Before further processing, it is thoroughly washed to remove soil and debris. Water and solid waste are separated to protect downstream equipment. At this stage, the raw material is clean and ready for crushing. Cleaned sugarcane is fed into powerful crushing mills. Heavy steel rollers compress the stalks, releasing raw sugar juice. The extraction process is repeated to maximize yield. Fibrous residue, known as bagasse, is separated from the liquid. This material is collected and reused as an energy source. The raw juice then moves forward for purification. The extracted juice is now purified through clarification. Lime is added to bind impurities and allow them to settle. Clear juice is separated and sent to evaporation. Inside large evaporators, water is removed using heat and steam. As moisture evaporates, the liquid thickens into syrup. This concentrated syrup is prepared for crystallization. The concentrated syrup enters the crystallization stage. Inside vacuum vessels, sugar crystals begin to form under controlled conditions. Centrifuges then separate crystals from the remaining liquid, known as molasses. The wet sugar is transferred to dryers where hot air removes excess moisture. As the crystals dry, they become stable and free-flowing. At this point, the sugar is nearly ready for packaging. In the final stage, the sugar is weighed and packaged. Automated systems ensure consistent quantities and accurate labeling. Robotic arms stack finished bags onto pallets for storage. The packaged sugar is held in large warehouses before distribution. Every step is tracked for quality and traceability. This completes the journey from harvested sugarcane to finished product.